Ancient India, Indus Valley Civilization, 2500–1500 BCE. Cities, Harappa, Mohenjo-Daro, Lothal. Features included town planning, the Great Bath, granaries, and the dockyard at Lothal. Their script is still undeciphered. No evidence of horses, no use of iron. Vedic period. Early Vedic. Rigveda, pastoral life. Sabha and Samiti. Later Vedic. Agriculture, the Varna system, and painted greyware. Key texts: Rigveda, Samaveda, Yajurveda, Atharvaveda. Medieval India, Delhi Sultanate, 1206–1526. Dynasties: Slave, Khilji, Tughlaq, Sayyid, Lodi. Famous rulers: Qutb-ud-Din Aibak, built Qutb Minar. Alauddin Khilji, market reforms. Muhammad bin Tughlaq, token currency. Mughal Empire, 1526–1857. Babur, First Battle of Panipat, 1526. Akbar, Dini Ilahi, Mansabdari system. Shah Jahan, Taj Mahal, Peacock throne. Aurangzeb, empire expansion, jizya tax. Modern India, British rule. Important acts: Regulating Act 1773, Pitt's India Act 1784. 1858, Government of India Act, Crown rule began. 1935, provincial autonomy. Revolt of 1857. Leaders included Rani Laxmibai of Jhansi, Bahadur Shah II of Delhi, Tantia Topa, and Nana Sahib. Causes included Enfield rifle cartridges and political annexation under the doctrine of lapse. Indian national movement. INC formed in 1885 by A.O. Hume. Moderate leaders included Dadabhai Nauroji and Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Extremists: Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, Lala Lajpat Rai. Gandhian era non-cooperation 1920. Civil disobedience 1930 Salt March. Quit India 1942. Quick exam pointers: First Governor General of India, William Bentinck. First Viceroy of India, Lord Canning. Partition of Bengal, 1905 by Lord Curzon. Jallianwala Bagh Massacre, 1919 by General Dyer. Mountbatten Plan, 1947, led to India's independence.